Hi, today we are going to see class 10 NCERT chapter 2 exercise 2.2. So before getting into the exercise 2.2, kindly watch a previous video of introduction of polynomials and we'll get into the exercise. So for first sum, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. So here the quadratic polynomial is given. Okay, six sums are given and we want to find out the zeros of that given polynomial, and then we want to compare, we want to verify with its relation. So that relations are sum of its zeros and the product of its zeros. Okay, so first we get into this sum. First one, x square minus 2x minus 8. So when compare, so we want to compare this quadratic polynomial. When compare x square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation. So quadratic polynomial equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So if we compare x square minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 to this equation, we will get a is equal to, so compare the coefficient of, what is the coefficient of x square? 1. Okay, so and then b is equal to coefficient of x is minus 2. Okay, then c is equal to the constant term, so the constant term is minus 8. Okay, so when compared to this equation, we found the answers of a, b and c. Okay, now get into the sum. X square minus 2x minus 8 is equal to 0. Okay, now just we want to take the factor. So center number we should write here minus 2. Okay, and then so the coefficient of x square is 1. So multiply this term with the constant term. So multiply coefficient and constant. 1 into minus 8 minus 8. So that mention it here minus 8. So here the two numbers we want to give. So if we multiply the two numbers, we should get minus 8. If we add the two numbers, we should get answer minus 2. So minus 4 into 2. Okay, minus 4, minus into plus minus, 4 twos are 8. Okay, so if we add minus 4 plus 2, we will get the answer minus 2. Okay, we can take this is called a factor. Okay, now so write this x square as such. Instead of minus 2x, we should write this 2 both. So we can write minus 4x, so plus 2x, so last term minus 8 is equal to 0. So we are going to write, instead of minus 2x, we want to write this 2. Okay. So now take x as a common. Okay. So take two terms. So we want to take two terms. So from these two terms, we can take x as a common. If we take x as a common, we can get x minus 4. Here x already come out, so x minus 4. So again here we are taking out plus 2, 2 alone we can take it. So x is here but x is not in this term. So we can take 2 alone common. So remaining x minus 4 is equal to 0. So we can write x plus 2 one term, and then instead of both we can write one time x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now x plus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 4 is equal to 0. We can take it separately. So then x is equal to plus 2, come here as minus 2. Here x is equal to minus 4, come this side as plus 4. So this term is we can take it as alpha is equal to minus 2, beta is equal to 4. Okay. So now we want to verify this with the relation. We want to verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. Okay, So the relations are first one, sum of its zeros. Sum of its zeros is equal zeros. Sum means plus, right? So alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So already we know that formula. Okay. Now what we have find out as alpha minus 2 plus, instead of beta you can apply beta value. Beta is equal to 4. Alpha is equal to minus 2. So instead of beta apply 4 is equal to minus B. So already we found that A, B, C's value, right? So B value is minus 2. Already formula have one minus, and then you want to mention B value minus 2 by A. A is equal to 1. Now minus 2 plus 4 is equal to minus into minus plus, so 2. So denominator is 1, so we don't need to mention that. Now minus 2 plus 4 will get plus 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so both the answers are same, so hence it is verified. So next we want to apply the product of its zeros. Product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay, alpha, so we know the value for alpha minus 2 into beta 4 is equal to c. What is the answer for c? Minus a by a. A equal to 1. So now multiply this, minus into plus, minus 2 fours are 8 is equal to, here minus 8, so denominator is 1, we don't need to mention. So therefore hence it is verified. So the second sum, 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. Now when comparing 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, so we should compare these two equation. Okay, so what is the coefficient of s square? 4. So then a is equal to 4, then b is equal to, so what is in b place? Minus 4. The coefficient of s is minus 4, and then c is equal to, what is the coefficient of constant term? 1. C is equal to 1. Okay, now um, write 4s square minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. You want to take the factor for this following. So we mention that multiply center number minus 4. So now coefficient of s square and constant term we should multiply. Okay, 4 into 1. 4 1 is 4. Now suppose if we add, we should get minus 4. If we multiply, we should get plus 4. Okay, so minus 2 into minus 2, minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. Next minus 2 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 4. We got the answer, right? So now you can write 4s square. So instead of minus 4s, you can write minus 2s minus 2s plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now you can take it out as a common. Take 2s as a common. So remaining 2 will be there. Next one more s will be there. Minus 2s already came out. Now only 1 is there. Next. Here we can take minus 1. Okay. So if we take minus 1, so remaining 2s will be there. So 1 minus is here. Remaining 1 minus. Minus into minus plus. Okay, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Now 2s minus 1 one term, and then here 2s minus 1 one term, and then here 2s minus 1 is there. Commonly we can write 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so as usual we can take 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Here 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. We can take it separately. So 2s is equal to minus 1 come this side as plus 1. So s is equal to, so multiplication come this side as division. S is equal to 1 by 2. So that is alpha is equal to 1 by 2. So now here the same 2s is equal to minus 1 come this side as plus 1. So s is equal to 2 is in multiplication, this side comes as a division 1 by 2. So then beta is equal to 1 by 2. So alpha and beta, the both values are same. Okay. Now we want to verify this alpha and beta value with the quadratic polynomial relationship. Okay, so that is sum of its zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Already we know this formula. Okay. So what is the value of alpha? 1 by 2. So right, 1 by 2 plus beta value 1 by 2 is equal to minus b. What is the value of b? Minus 4. Minus 4 by a. A value is 4. Now so denominator is common, we can add directly. So that is 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 divided by 2 is equal to minus into minus plus 4 by 4. So we can write 2 1 is 2, 2 1 is 2, 4 1 is 1, 4 1 is 1. Okay, so here 1 is equal to 1. So the answer is equal. So next we want to verify the product of its zeros. Product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equal to c. So the value of c is equal to 1 by a. So the value of a is equal to 4. Now multiply directly. 1 1 is 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 is equal to 1 by 4. So both the answers are equal. Therefore, hence it is verified with the relationship of its zeros. Hence it is verified. So the next one, third sum, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So first we want to rewrite it. Okay. So what is given? 6x square. So it is in round order. So arrange the order. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Okay, ma? So then now when comparing 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 6, b is equal to, so what is the coefficient of x? Minus 7, and then c is equal to coefficient of constant term is the constant term is minus 3. Okay, so we found a, b, c values. Now simplify this equation. 6x square minus 7x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, so now find out the factor. So center number we can mention here minus 7. So we want to multiply this coefficient of x square and constant term. Okay, So plus into minus, minus, 6 3s are 18. Okay. So now if we multiply two numbers, we should get minus 18. If we add two numbers, we should get minus 7. So that is minus 9 and 2. Minus into plus minus 9 2s are 18. So if we add minus 9 plus 2, we'll get the answer minus 7. Okay. Now 6x square. Instead of this minus 7x, we can write minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So now we just rearranging that, yeah, take 3x as a common. Okay. So here 3x as a, here two terms. Take 3x as a common. Remaining 3x will be there. Okay, sorry, 2x. 2x will be there. Next, minus 3. So already x is outside. 3 3s are 9. Plus here. So nothing is there to take common. So we can take 1 as a common. Next, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay. Now 3x plus 1. So instead of both 2x minus 3, 2 times are there. We can write only one time. Okay. Now take these both separately. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3x is equal to plus 1 come this side as minus 1. So x is equal to multiplication come this side as division minus 1 by 3. So that is alpha is equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. Now come this side. So 2x is equal to minus 3 come this side as plus 3. So x is equal to, so 2 is in multiplication come this side as division. So x is equal to 3 by 2. So that is beta is equal to 3 by 2. So we found the value of alpha and beta. So now verify this with the relationship formulas, that is sum of its zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So we know the formula for alpha, we know the value of alpha, that is minus 1 by 3 plus, so beta value 3 by 2 is equal to minus b minus 7 by a. A value is 6. Now cross multiply this. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2, 3 into 3 plus 3 3s are 9 divided by 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus into minus plus 7 by 6. So minus 2 plus 9. So multiply 7 by 6 is equal to 7 by 6. So the answer is equal. Now find out the product of its zeros. Product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So already we know the value of alpha and beta. So minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2 is equal to c minus 3 by a 6. Okay. So now multiply directly. So minus 1 into 3 minus 3 by 3 2s are 6 is equal to minus 3 by 6. So therefore hence it is verified. So the next fourth sum is 4u square plus 8u. Okay. So when comparing um, 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get, so we are comparing what is the coefficient of x square. So 4. So a is equal to 4, and then coefficient of u is equal to b is equal to 8, and then c. Here the third term is missing. So c constant term they didn't give. So that is we consider c is equal to 0. Okay. Now simplify this equation. 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. Okay, now we take 4u as a common, remaining only 1u will be there, plus here 4, 4 1 came out, remaining 2, 4 2s are 8, u already is in common, so u plus 2 is equal to 0. Now take it separately, 4u is equal to 0, u plus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, so 4u is equal to 0, u is equal to 0 divided by 4. So u is equal to 0. Now alpha is equal to 0. Now u is equal, here right side u is equal to plus 2, side come this side as minus 2. So that is u is equal to minus 2. So that's it, then beta is equal to minus 2. Okay. Now we are going to verify this alpha and beta values. Okay, first sum of its zeros, sum of its zeros, alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. So we know the value of alpha is 0 plus beta is equal to minus 2 equal to minus b is equal to 8 by a is equal to 4. Okay, now 0 plus into minus minus 2 is equal to, so 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8 is equal to minus 2. 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2. It is equal. So the next one, product of its zeros. Product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is equal to 0 into beta is equal to minus 2 equal to c. C value 0 by a is equal to 4. So anything multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 4 is equal to 0. So both the answers are equal. So therefore, hence it is verified. Next, fifth one, t square minus 15. So the given polynomial is t square minus 15. So the solution, when comparing t square minus 15 is equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to, so x square the coefficient of x square is a, so the coefficient of t square is 1. So next bx, there is no x term in the given polynomial equation, so b is equal to 0. So then c is equal to, so the constant term is minus 15. Okay, minus 15. Now simplify this equation, t square minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so then t square is equal to minus 15 come this side as plus 15. So t is equal to square come this side as root square root 15. So if we take square root, we can get plus or minus. So we can consider 1t as plus root 15 and another one more t as minus root 15. Okay, that is alpha is equal to plus root 15 and beta is equal to minus root 15. Okay. Now verify this alpha and beta. So that is sum of its zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so alpha value is plus root 15 plus beta value is minus root 15 is equal to minus b value is 0 divided by a is equal to 1. So now root 15, so plus into minus minus root 15 is equal to, so 0 divided by 1, 0. So minus is in 0, we don't need to mention minus or plus anything. Okay. So now root 15 minus root 15 is equal to 0 is equal to 0. Okay. So we get 0 both the sides. So next one, product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So alpha is equal to plus root 15 and beta is equal to minus root 15 is equal to c. So the value of c is minus 15 by a value is 1. Now root 15 plus into multiply the sign, plus minus, we can take minus as common, so root 15 the square, okay, equal to minus 15. So square and root will be cancelled, so remaining minus 15 will be there, is equal to minus 15. So both the sides are equal, therefore hence it is verified. So the next one, 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay. So when compare the given polynomial, when compare 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0 to the quadratic polynomial equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to, so coefficient of x square is 3, then b is equal to coefficient of x is minus 1, and then c is equal to coefficient of constant term is minus 4. Okay, we found the a value, b value and c value. Now simplify this given equation. So 3x square minus x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now take the factor. So the center number 1 will, if nothing is there, we can consider here as a 1. So minus 1. So and then multiply these two numbers. So coefficient of x square and the constant term. 3 4s are 12. Plus into minus minus. So mention here minus 12. Okay. So if we multiply these two numbers, we should get minus 12. If we add two numbers, we should get minus 1. So that is minus 4 into 3. So 4 plus into minus, minus 4 3s are 12. Okay. If we add minus 4 plus 3, we get the answer minus 1. Now simplify this. 3x square. Instead of this minus 1x, we can write this minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, so change this term. So 3 is there, so we can change this term. 3x square plus 3x minus 4x minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, I am taking 3x as a common. So remaining x plus 3x 1 come out as common, here 1 will be there. Here take minus 4 as common, remaining x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So now here left over the common numbers we can write together. So 3x minus 4 and then so 2x plus 1 is there, we can write one time x plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now take 0 as a common. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here x plus 1 is equal to 0. We are taking separately. So now 3x is equal to, so minus 4 come this side as plus 4. So x is equal to 4, multiplication come this side as division. X is equal to 4 by 3, that is alpha is equal to 4 by 3. And then now here beta. So x is equal to plus 1 come this side as minus 1. So beta is equal to minus 1. Okay, so we found alpha is equal to 4 by 3 and beta is equal to minus 1. Next we will verify the answer. So, sum of its zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a. Okay, so now alpha, we know the value of alpha is 4 by 3 and plus beta is minus 1 is equal to minus b value is minus 1 by a value is 3. Now 4 by 3 plus into minus minus 1. So if nothing is there, we can mention 1 as a denominator is equal to minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So now just cross multiply it. 4 1 is 4 minus 3 1 is 3 divided by 3 1 is 3. Okay. So 1 by 3. Next 4 minus 3 is equal to 1 divided by 3 is equal to 1 by 3. So the sum of its zeros both sides are equal. Next, product of its zeros. Product of its zeros, that is alpha into beta is equal to c by a. Okay. Now alpha, we know the value of alpha, that is 4 by 3 into beta value is minus 1 is equal to c. Value of c is minus 4 by a is 3. Okay. So multiply minus 1 into 4 by 3 is equal to minus 4 by 3 equal to minus 4 by 3. So both the sides are equal. So therefore, hence it is verified. Thank you.